Okay, let's start with the main components, the CPU. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 1600AF. It has base clock of 3.2 GHz and max boost clock up to 3.6 GHz. And it has 6 cores and 12 threads with total L1 cache of 576 kilobytes and total L2 cache is 3 MB. And also total L3 cache is 16 MB. The CPU socket is AM4 and max temperature is 95 Celsius with PCI Express version of PCIe 3.0 with thermal solution red stealth color with base clock of 3.2 GHz. So that's it for the CPU. And for the motherboard is Asus TUF B40M Plus Gaming. This motherboard is support 2nd generation AMD Ryzen AM4. Maximize connectivity and speed with NVMe M.2, USB 3.1 Gen 2, and Gigabit LAN, and military grade. Top components like TUF LAN guard, TUF chokes, TUF capacitor, and TUF MOSFETs. Maximize durability, the TUF protection with slot over voltage protection is to ensure components stability and dependability. So that's for the motherboard. So for the RAM is TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z. It has DDR4 16GB kit by 2 8GB equivalent to 6GB, and it is 3200 MHz and a simple design to perfectly protect the cooling module for high thermal conductive adhesive. It is also support Intel and AMD motherboards, and selected high quality IC supports XMP 2.0. So that's it for the RAM. Okay, let's proceed on the M.2. This M.2 is 3D NAND SATA SD4 capacities up to 2 TB with enhanced reliability as used for storage capacity. 1 TB equivalent to 1 TB or 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment, and also sequential read speed up to 560 MBs and sequential write speed up to 530 MBs as used for transfer rate or interface. MB is means megabyte per second. So that's for the M.2. So for the hard drive or the HDD is Seagate BarraCuda 1 TB internal hard drive or HDD with 3.5-inch SATA 6GB and also 7200 RPM with 64 MB cache. This support for computer desktop PC, and it can store more, compute faster, and do it confidently with the proven reliability of BarraCuda internal hard drives. It is build a powerhouse gaming computer or desktop setup with a variety of capacity and form factors. The go-to SATA hard drive solution is nearly every PC application from music to video and photo editing, and also for the PC gaming. So that's it for the hard drive. And the next part is the case or the chassis. And this case is Thermaltake Versa H18 tempered glass black Spcc, and this is micro ATX gaming computer case, and it has mesh front panel with built-in blue lid strip with compact micro ATX form factor. Designed with full-length PSU cover with ideal for IO solution up to 240 and 280 millimeter, and I/O port USB 3.0 by 1, USB 2.0 by 2, HD audio by 1, and this case is also has two hidden 2.5 inches plus two hidden 3.5 inches drive base. So that's it for the case. So for the GPU is EVGA GeForce GTX 1650 software AC Ultra Gaming with 4GB GDDR6 with dual fan and metal backplate. The real boost clock is 1755 MHz with memory detail is 496 MB with GDDR6. It's all new NVIDIA turning architecture to give you incredible new levels of gaming realism, speed, power, efficiency, and immersions. And the dual fans offer higher performance cooling and low acoustic noise with built for EVGA precision by one all metal backplate pre-installed. So that's it for the GPU. And for the important parts in your PC build is the PSU or the power supply. The PSU you will use is this EVGA 500 GD 8 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads, and for heavy duty protection including OBF or over voltage protection, UBF or undervolt protection, UCP or current protection, OPP means overpower protection. And the ACP short circuit protection. Or if you can find this same PC, you can choose another brand with 500 watts and it has 80 plus bronze or gold certified power. So that's for the power supply. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.